Hey there, life is full of surprises, some good, some not so good. Imagine this. Your car suddenly breaks down, you get a surprise medical bill, or your job situation changes overnight. Sounds stressful, right? Well, here's the good news. You can prepare for these unexpected expenses without going into debt. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Today, I'll show you exactly how to build an emergency fund step by step, no matter your income level. So grab a notebook, hit that like button, and let's get started. The first step is figuring out how much you actually need in your emergency fund. The general rule of thumb is to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of essential expenses. But I know that can sound like a big number, so don't worry. If you're just getting started, aim for $1,000 first. This will help you cover small emergencies and keep you from relying on credit cards or loans. Start with $1,000 as a quick safety net. Once you hit that, aim for 1 month's worth of essential expenses. Over time, build it up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is the ultimate goal. Now that you have a goal, you need the right place to keep your emergency fund. The best option? A high-yield savings account. This way, your money earns a little interest while staying safe and accessible. Here's what to look for when choosing a bank. No monthly fees. Easy access when you need it, but not too easy so you're not tempted to spend it. A high-yield savings account that offers better interest than a regular checking account. Some great options include Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and Discover Bank. The easiest way to build your emergency fund without even thinking about it? Automation. Set up a recurring transfer from your checking account to your savings account. Even if it's just $10 to $50 per week, consistency is key. If your employer allows it, split your direct deposit so part of your paycheck goes straight into savings. I get it, we all love our little luxuries, but if you're struggling to save, taking a closer look at your spending can make a huge difference. Cut back on takeout meals and coffee shop runs. Making coffee at home could save you $100 plus a month. Review your subscriptions. Are you really using all those streaming services? Look for cheaper phone or internet plans. Many providers have hidden discounts if you ask. The goal here isn't to deprive yourself. It's to prioritize your future security. Sometimes cutting expenses isn't enough, and that's okay. If you want to build your emergency fund faster, look for ways to increase your income. Here are a few easy ways. Sell unused items on Facebook Marketplace or eBay. Start a side hustle. Freelancing, tutoring, or driving for Uber can add up fast. Ask for a raise or take on overtime if possible. Now that you've built up your emergency fund, it's important to protect it. Only use it for true emergencies, not vacations or shopping sprees. Refill it ASAP after using it. Keep it separate from your checking account to avoid temptation. Building an emergency fund doesn't happen overnight, but every step gets you closer to financial freedom. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate every milestone along the way. So tell me, how much are you aiming to save for your emergency fund? Let's hold each other accountable in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips.